This short video demonstrates how to order and access 4Stamp for SDLT, LTT, or LBTT verification directly from within ICOS, the Intelligent Conveyancing Online System from Express Legal Services. Once you have logged into the portal, select New Case from your dashboard. Put in your reference number, and then from the case type, drop down Select Property Case. Next, select the product type, residential or commercial, whether it has a mortgage, and whether it is freehold or leasehold. You now need to enter the property address, either via the postcode search, or you can manually enter the address. Selecting Next twice loads the product selector. Scroll down to Compliance Products and select Add for 4Stamp Assess. This is the first product in the list. Once selected, scroll down and select Next. On this next screen, add each purchaser's details. For each purchaser, enter their details individually. Once all purchasers have been added, mark that the form is complete by selecting the option, Yes, please process with this information. On the summary screen, scroll down and place the order. Confirm your selection via the pop-up window. You will see a green success banner that the order has been received. To action the order, go into the new case from your list of current cases. Once in your new case, scroll down and you will see 4Stamp Assess in the product section. It will have a link available under Documents. Select the link and open the SDLT form. You are redirected to the 4Stamp portal. The property and purchaser details have been pre-filled. You can now either complete the questions on behalf of your clients, or you can invite your clients to complete the SDLT questionnaire by selecting the green button. Your clients will now receive an email with a link to complete the questionnaire securely. If you would like a full demonstration of the 4Stamp verification platform and how to include 4Stamp in your next order, contact Express head office via email at hello@expresslegal.uk or telephone 01925 39 33 33. Thanks for watching.